Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Tuesday and a great week. Today is Floss Tube Day. It is my 303rd Floss Tube. And today is October 21st, 2025. Holy cow. Do you realize Thanksgiving's a month away? It blows my mind completely. Well, we had a really good week last week. I'm really quite pleased with how it all turned out, I should say. And we did have a couple of starts. We had a review, and I stitched on a few things. So let's get with the starts and the reviews. The review that I had was for the Feel Look Art Company. And we started this diamond painting on the pumpkin, and I didn't get any further that day. So, yeah, but I will show you it in its entirety. It's this cute black cat and his pumpkin, and he's got on a witch's hat. I just thought it was kind of cute and whimsical, so I thought, why not, right? And I think it's going to be gorgeous once I get that pumpkin. I'm going to work on the pumpkin and get it mainly done because I'm kind of avoiding the, what was it, 939 and the 310 black and 823. Don't forget 823. Yeah, that's a lot of dark. So, yeah. And we did have another start. It was from a kit that I got, I'm going to say a month ago. I can't remember when I got it because I got the 4 seasons, and this one is autumn, and we started on this side with kind of an orangish red, so didn't get any more done on that, but you can see I think it'll be beautiful when you start adding all the autumn colors. You know, the, what do you call it, the foliage is not much like autumn, but that sunset is just absolutely stunning. So yep, I will keep at that. We put that over there, oops, with its thread, but the thread cards are the good thread cards that have the product number on it, so it can't get too far from its actual kit. Now those are the only 2 starts that I had. I also worked on this one. I love this picture. It is Joy on a Branch, and it came from Diamond Art Decor as well. Now that autumn one did come from Diamond Art Decor also, but this I just, oh, yeah, but evidently not enough to just stitch on it all the time. You'll see what I was obsessed with this last week. So we're working on these green leaves here and getting those started. I didn't go back and work on some of the flowers because they're such light colors that you really wouldn't be able to see much progress there. And I have started this background part. I don't know if it's sky or a building that's right there. So it's going up, and wherever you see that orange. So that'll be something to work on, but I do like the way that the top leaves turned out. There's maybe 3 or 4 squares left that I just need to have more of that color thread. So when I get further along on these, I can go back up here and just add them, because they all the leaves have those particular colors. We're gonna save that one for last. I also pulled this one out because my friend Jill, who is Jill Green, oh, I forgot to show you the November cup, and today it is orange cinnamon spice, because yesterday the wind just blew all day. It was still blowing when I left there. Back to my story, sorry. So I watched Jill Green here on YouTube, and she's also sent me some things, and she got this, I don't have a date on it, but we both got them from AliExpress sometime last year, maybe. yeah. And it's all one color. I think the color is 666 red. Because it is white red. It looks a little orange there when I showed it to you. Hers is in 11 count. And I have another one that she has as well, but it's in a 14 count. So I can't remember if I went back and got the 14 count, because I realized my mistake, so to speak. So, yeah. But I like this just because it's in a single color, and I think I'm going to keep working on it just because it is 11 count. And the koi that I have, which is a single color red, is also 11 count. So I figured this might make a little bit more progress. I have that much progress in this, so haven't worked on it a whole bunch, but she had it on her channel and I went, I got that one. Yeah, so I had to go find it. And I worked on it for a bit. And oh my goodness. Oh, geez, everything's kind of sliding. I did work on, I gotta figure out which direction's which, Watertown Memory. And I don't have the booklet right here. So I can only, I gotta figure out which way I need to go. I worked on the brown, and I'm working on the rest of that porch that goes over here, and then this building kind of comes, this is the roof, it goes slant, and then it goes straight. So they're in another building yet, but I did get that color in. I'm not sure, it was not 3371, but I worked on it quite a bit trying to get all of this in, and wherever you see that dark, just from this building that way. And if it needed that same color, I might have a few scattered here and there, but yeah, I love this. Just love it. I don't care how big it is, I just like it. It is an 11 count as well, and it's probably over 300 centimeters. Is that the word? Yeah, 300 centimeters long. This was Kitzilla before the Tang Dynasty showed up. And I didn't get back to my lady, which is the 18 hairpins we do on Monday. So her dress is still in disarray. But I'm trying. Holy cow. Yep, we need to finish that purplish section. And I'm still saying it 3 weeks later. There's a little bit more on the sides and right in the middle of this white panel, and that's all that there is to that. I get sidetracked because I started putting in the 310 black. You'll see it on that train part of that dress. So yeah, I love it. And at one point I did work on that next lady's dress in the blue. So yeah, that's coming. But and this is the love of my life. I could just sit there until both my shoulders froze. I mean, as far as been working on it too long. Yeah, that's what happens when you get old. And last but not least is this one from Paint Some Way. It's called Cat and Jam. I believe I got it last week from Paint Some Way. Yep, I'm trying to get it. So there we go. So I've been working right up in here in that top part of that jar. And I don't know, I think I kind of got a lot done. So yeah, there's a few more colors that need to put in. And I like the way I'm doing this one is I do it like take one thread and I'll do it until it's done. So you can see where that drooled, not that part right there, but into the cat down here and whatever else was sitting there. I can't even, I guess it's just the bottom of the jar. There's something there. There's a cat. There's another cat that's sitting on this side, but the back stitch is going to make this. So just been working from the top down because I wanted to see how all those reds and oranges worked and everything together. But that, guys, is everything that I have worked on this week. So, you know, I spent more time with some and less time with others. That's just the way it goes. But I wanted to get some progress on Watertown Memory. I can't think what it was called. Yeah, I love that picture. And, you know, you can sit there and work and work and work and work. Like with the 3371. Case in point. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it, And it just seems like you didn't get a darn thing done. So I picked a different color, and yeah, that's the way that happened. So I was trying to build the frame of that next building if I could without going to 3371. It's like 2 shades off of the 3371. It's a dark, dark brown. So, yeah. So, this week, we have Watertown Memory tomorrow, and who knows? Maybe we'll have another review. I'm not real sure what's up for this week other than October Saturday stitching and Watertown Memory. So, we'll just play it by ear and see how it goes. Thanks, everyone, for joining me today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.